first child was born, I gained 30 kilos. I was just massive. And this time I said, I'm going to change the pattern of my obsession for perfection. You know, when I was 14, I had anorexia. So this time I didn't want to get myself on a diet. So instead, I decided to love and accept myself with my 30 kilos overweight and hire a stylist. And this stylist told me something amazing. I have a rectangular body. That means that if I am thin, I have the body of a credit card, and if I gain weight, I have the body of a fridge. And first I panic, oh my God, this is horrible. This is the opposite of what my mother always wanted, hourglass body, what every woman should have. And then the stylist told me that I had the body that all the models were having at that time. It was fashionable to be rectangular. And I was perplexed. I was already the best version of myself. I was by nature the best version of myself. Mind blowing. So I asked her, well, so practically, what is what I can do? And she said, what you have to do is let go of anything and everything that puts attention in your waist. And you should draw attention to other parts of your body that are beautiful to see, like your face, like your feet, and they take attention away what you want to take attention away from. And it was so cathartic. We threw away all the belts, all the corsets, all these artificial ways for me to become that dream version that I wanted so intensely to become. We threw them away. Highly cathartic, delicious, fantastic, liberating. What happened afterwards was so magical. I was so happy with this new way of dressing that the 30 kilos disappeared. By the time I was expecting my second child, I was in a bikini, no problem. It was absolutely magical. So what happened in that story? I actually became that version of myself who could wear a bikini. Wow! How did that happen? My analysis is that, number one, I decided to accept myself. I decided to accept myself. That was step number one. And this is the step that I invite you to take. Take a moment right now with me in this video to love and accept yourself exactly where you are. Your bank account is negative. You are overweight. You are single. The man just left you. They fired you. It is just how it is right now. Just accept it and see it how it is. This is the step number one on leadership. See it how it is and absolutely love it. Because you see, God brought you here with every single thing that happened in your life up to this moment. Why? Why are you here in this moment of your life? To grow and to expand, of course, as dark, as bleak as it could be. Embrace the present moment, especially if it is a very low moment, because that means if you are in a very low moment, it just can get better. Embrace it. Next step. I invite you to think about what is for you your belts and what is for you your earrings and shoes. What are the belts? What are those things that you have consistently forced yourself to do that go against your nature? What are those activities that you are forcing yourself to do because everybody says that you should be doing? I can remember my journey of finding my style of clothes. I will wear the most outrageous outfits because the magazine said that I should do that. Oh my God. Who's with me? All the fashions that we have tried because the magazine said that we should do it. Those are belts. What are those things that you have done to please everybody else? Think about what are those things that you have done to please your mother, to please your father, to please your husband, to please the neighbor, to please people you don't even care about. Those are the things that really have to go. Just like the belts, they have to go. What are the earrings? What are those things in your life that bring out the best in you? And I'm particularly speaking in this video and in this channel to women. I invite you to embrace being feminine, to embrace being a woman. If you have been following for a while, this has been a journey for myself. I used to wear the hair really short, really masculine, even shorter than my own husband. And as the years have passed, I have discovered the life-changing joy of having long hair, because I have to take care of it. And it's not a chore, it's a time of self-care. Discovering that being feminine is actually a superpower, because it allows you to detect problems before they happen, because it allows you to feel the beauty of life. Think about those things that you already know that bring so much joy into your life and you have been forgetting. What is that? Think about objects, think about activities, think about people. Bring them back into your life. And last but not least, the third element of this transformation was enjoying the process. Really, truly falling in love with being already the vision that you see in your becoming. In other words, marrying really like a wedding, who you think you would like to be and who you are today. Marrying the hypothetical future with the solid today. Imagine like having a balloon that brings levity with the vision of the future, and that brings solidity with the knowing of where you are. And dancing together with these two energies as you shift your identity, becoming the woman of your dreams. I certainly hope that this has been helpful for you. If you like it, please like it. It means a lot to me. It tells me that the content that I'm creating is helpful. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful week.